20 frickin' bucks. 20 frickin' bucks for 3 of these. One, check it out. Beautiful. U103 for her pleasure. That last one was from the 50s. This one is from the 70s. Black & Decker Unit 7109. It looks really 70s, right? It's got that ephemeral look. And then, of course, we got the new DR250. Geez, the prices on these things are next to nothing. This 1950 here, you don't really get much of a handle. In fact, the handle is the place for the air to come out. But she's large and charged. You could smack a zombie with it and keep going. Hell, you could drill a hole through someone's head, blam, hit it through another zombie's head, and then, yeah, save the princess. I do not miss having to have this key. You can see Buddy here was smart, and he taped it directly too, right? Really heavy. And then you start to smell it. Oh yeah, you can smell that thing by now. It smells like 1950s work. It smells like your grandpa's electric train set when he pulls it out of the attic for the first time in 50 years. I love it. Oh, I frickin' hate these keys. I wonder why none of them have ground plugs. On to 1970s. Now, you'll notice that we don't have the blower-ator coming out of the handle. No, now it blows right in your face. Lovely. Actually, I think I was blowing inward. Let's hope so. But anyways, once again, we have the key. I'm not a fan of the key, but... that smell. Definitely like your father's train set being taken out of the attic and used for the first time since last Christmas. Yeah, boy, let me tell you what. Coming right out of the 90s, 2000s. Oh, yeah, ladies. Real men don't need keys. But seriously, one of the things I want to touch on in this situation is in the 50s, in the 60s, this was a really nice thing to have. It cost money. You tried to take care of it generally. This is a generation 2 of the unit. The original one didn't have any paint on it. It can still be used. I got these for all... Okay, you know what? 15. It was 15. This was 2. The other one was 3. And the other one was 5. 10? I can't count. How have we made it so far that even in the 70s, this is a nice thing to have? Someone got this and took frickin' care of it. But then, like, the 2000 came around and... throw away technology, etc. This is all we got. This probably won't last nearly as long as the rest of it will because it'll break apart. But then again, maybe after 70 years or so, we should be allowed to retire. I don't know. I just had to do a video on them. I found them all in the same place. They're beautiful though, I think. Look at this throwaway society that we have. Everyone can afford to have all the toys. No one can afford any property. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.